Now, we're closing in on the surface of Titan, Saturn's biggest moon, as it swings into the Alien Sounds countdown. Hit number 2 rings out as Totally Titan. And it opens with an otherworldly hiss from an actual microphone on the Huygens lander, separated from Cassini and parachuting through Titan's methane atmosphere nearly 1 billion miles away from Earth.
If you're parachuting, you're going to hear that's exactly what we hear in these Huygens sounds.
The sound was transmitted as the lander headed toward Titan's surface in 2005.
The acoustic sensor on Huygens was essentially a microphone, but it only sampled every couple seconds. It would take a little sound, tiny, tiny sound bite, and then nothing, and then a tiny, tiny sound bite. It wasn't planned to turn that into sounds that the public could hear.
But unlike the other sounds from Saturn, these were not converted from radio waves. They began as true sound waves in Titan's methane atmosphere. And the Planetary Society stepped in to convert the staccato sampling of the microphone into something audible to human ears.
In the end, what you hear is mostly wind noise as the parachute's descending through the atmosphere, and then things get much, much quieter on the surface. It goes from to suddenly being. But what's really profound is we're hearing sounds taken by an actual acoustic sensor from 1 billion miles away. First time we've ever heard sounds from another planet or moon around another planet.